Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Matt, and today I'm going to talk about the supporting parts that I picked up when I was getting ready to install my FiTech fuel injection system. The first thing I picked up was this Whine single plane intake manifold. Now when I first got my engine, it actually had a dual plane on it, and FiTech does say you can run either a single plane or a dual plane, but after seeing that episode of Engine Masters where they started having issues with the dual plane, I just decided to go with the single. When I was running my carb, I had a banjo fitting on my fuel inlet so that I could run an air cleaner base with a really healthy drop. When I got the FiTech unit, the old base wouldn't clear the AN fittings, so I picked up this new one that only has a 5/8 drop and it just barely clears the lines. So next I addressed the fuel system. First I picked up FiTech's fuel filter, some -6 AN line, and a 255 liter per hour fuel pump. I was running a mechanical fuel pump, so I got this fuel pump block-off plate as well. Then I turned to the ignition. I wanted the FiTech unit to run my timing, and I already had this MSD 2-wire distributor, which you can see right here. Got the 2 wires coming off of it connecting to the FiTech unit. One thing FiTech did recommend is getting an adjustable rotor, which you can see here. On the exhaust side, the only real modification is adding an oxygen sensor. Now FiTech does supply this clamp-on fitting, but after seeing a lot of people having issues with them leaking, I decided to weld on a bung. On the electrical side, I'm using the FiTech to run my electric fans, so I picked up a couple of relays and a few gauges and colors of wire so that I could hook up the relays and also extend my fuel pump wire. Converting to fuel injection requires a bit more power as well. Initially I was running the 65 amp alternator that came with my engine, but a few months after the install I decided to upgrade to a 105 amp unit. And last but not least, I picked up a new water temp sensor. These are notorious for reading incorrectly, and my old one was actually reading about 30 degrees off. So that's it for this one. Stay tuned for future videos where I go in depth into the installation and setup of the FiTech unit. Now please hit the like button if you liked the video. Let me know what you thought in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.